What's up guys, Nestor Restorations back with another video. Today I'm going to be re-gluing these Jordan 12s, so let's get into it. The first step to this restoration is to fully remove the bottom of the shoes. You want to do this because if you just glue one half with new glue and leave the other half with old glue, it's going to end up falling apart again because the old glue and the new glue do not mix well. So I'm just going to take off the bottom of the shoes. Another reason why I take off the bottom of the shoes is because it is a lot easier to re-glue them back together. The next step is to prep the shoes. You want to do this because you want to get rid of all the old glue and the factory finish on the shoes, and it also helps the new glue stick way better. To remove all the factory finish and the old glue on the bottom of the shoes, you're just going to want to use acetone and cotton balls to get rid of it. When re-gluing shoes back together, you always want to make sure your preparation is done the right way, because if you mess up, you can't go back. So just make sure your preparation is done right and try to get all that old glue off. Alright, once I'm done with the preparation, the next step is to grab your glue and the heat gun. For the glue, I'm going to be using Barge Super Stick Cement, and I'm just going to be using regular heat gun from Walmart. So let's go. Alright guys, so right now I'm about to apply the first coat of glue. When you apply the first coat of glue, you want to make sure that it's very thin and don't add too much glue because it will make a mess everywhere. Also, if you guys are using Barge Super Stick Cement, make sure you have a vented area because you don't want to breathe in all the chemicals because this glue is very strong. After I finished putting glue on the rubber part of the soles, I put that off to the side for about 5 minutes, then I start re-gluing the bottom of the actual shoe. For this part, you want to be very careful and do not get any glue on the uppers, because it will stain the shoe and it's going to be hard to get off. Alright, so right now I'm almost done with the first coat, so I'm just going to put that to the side and then I'm going to let it sit for about 10 minutes. Alright, so it's been 10 minutes, so now I'm going to apply the second coat of glue on. So I just finished the second layer, so now I'm going to let it sit for 10 minutes and then come back. So it's been 10 minutes, so now I'm going to heat up the shoes and then clamp them back together. to make sure you heat up the shoes very well, because if you don't heat them up right, the shoes are not going to stick. Alright, so I just finished heating up the shoes, so now it's time to put them back together. For this part, you want to be very careful, because if you mess up, it's going to be very hard to re-glue them back together. So on this part, I was kind of struggling because I kind of messed it up a little bit, but then I eventually got the shoe back on to the original spot, so it was all good. Alright guys, it's coming up to the end of the video. If you guys like this restoration, make sure you share, like, and comment, and stay safe, y'all.